Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your system. Make a full disk image or at least a system restore point so you can roll back. Once done, open Registry Editor as administrator and export the exact key you plan to change. This creates a safe backup. Next, launch an elevated command prompt and verify file system health with chkdsk/f. Make sure Windows is in safe mode if the error blocks normal boot. These precautions let you act without risking more damage. You now inspect the problematic keys, load the exported. Reg into a text editor and compare it to defaults or a working PC to spot malformed entries. Then, in Registry Editor, correct data types and value names. If many changes are needed, create a cleaned reg file and import it. After editing, run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupt system files so registry fixes persist. Make sure to reboot between these tools to allow Windows to You finish by rebooting twice and validating that affected applications and services behave normally. This confirms the registry changes loaded correctly. If problems continue, immediately restore the exported reg or the full disk image you made earlier to avoid escalation. If you need to investigate, open Event Viewer for error timestamps and run Process Monitor to capture registry access patterns. This helps identify a misbehaving driver or service. If editing caused boot failure, use Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.